guys, welcome back to my channel, The Makeover Mom. Today I just have a quick video for you guys. I had a couple of my subscribers asking how far in advance should they be booking out hotels for weddings or conferences and such. And that is a very good question. I think a lot of people struggle with that, especially like do-it-yourself brides and things. Since we're going to be talking about hotel bookings, right now is a great time to bring in today's sponsor for this video, which is hotelplanner.com. Hotelplanner.com specializes in weddings, sports team travel, conferences. It's a great tool if you guys are corporate event planners. You probably want to go ahead and go over to their site and look at what they have to offer. So what they really want their customers to know is that they can get group hotel rates for 77% less than if you were trying to book individual hotels. And that, I mean, that is a substantial percentage. If 77% discount is awesome. So if you guys are looking to book group meetings, conferences, or any of those sorts, make sure you guys check them out. What's also really cool about their website is that hotels can actually bid for you to stay where they're at, and then you can choose the best offer based on the bids. Like I said, Hotel Planner is perfect for people who book weddings, meetings, conferences. If you have a sports team and you guys do a lot of travel, they're great for that. They offer really low costs and it's minimal hassle. It's very easy to use their site, and that's really what they want people to know, is that when you're using their site, that they're dedicated to trying to get you the lowest possible price, and they really do specialize in group rates. So I'll go ahead and leave all their information below, and if you guys have an event coming up where you're going to be in need of their services, you may want to check it out and see what kind of discounts you can get yourself, because I mean, who doesn't want to save money, right? I do. So what I would say common practice is that you would start booking out hotel blocks for a hotel about 6 months in advance at least. So depending on how many hotel rooms you're going to want, you know, how prestigious the hotel it is that you're going to be booking, you're going to want to do this as far as possible in advance, because it's just like when you're trying to go on vacation and you wait till the last minute and the hotel that you really want was booked up, or they only have one more room left for that rate. So you want to book at least 6 months in advance. 6 to 9 months is a good strategy. If you're really booking a lot, I would even say even a year, to make sure you can block out those hotel rooms and start giving your guests the information so they can start making their travel arrangements and such. What's also great is that if you book that far ahead of time, you usually are going to get the best rates and the best discounts. You're going to get a discount anyways if you're booking a substantial amount of hotel rooms, but if you're booking also in advance and they know that they can just block out, you know, 50 to 100 rooms, say you're doing corporate planning or you're doing a conference or something, you are going to get a significant discount. So making sure that you're just getting those bookings in as soon as possible is always customary. And of course, I mean, I'm sure that you could find a hotel if you had only 3 months or 2 months, but you want to at least give yourself at least 6 months in advance when you're trying to block out hotel rooms for a large event. Alright guys, so that was my quick Q&A chit chat video. I just want to get in here and answer a question that a couple of you guys have been asking me. So you guys make sure to subscribe and hit that like button, and I will see you in the next video. Oh, and if you guys haven't already, make sure you guys go ahead and hop on over to Miss Event Planner and subscribe to that channel, which is my dedicated event planning channel. You guys asked for it, so I made it for you guys.